Welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video I will show you how to germinate Dhaniya seeds and how to keep it from bolting. Let's get to it. So first up, your seeds. I bought this for R5. It's at Osborne Spices in Gatesville. So if you live in Cape Town, you can get this and just buy this, and you don't have to buy the bags at the nursery because you're gonna get less seeds. You're gonna get much more seeds in here. See, the whole bag was full and I used half already. And then a bucket, and then any cloth, an old sweater, cloth, whatever you got, what you're gonna need. So you're gonna put the cloth in the bucket or the bowl or whatever you got. Get your seeds and just throw it in. Then get your water. Just soak it up a little bit. Then you want to just let it lay in the water but for a day or two, but just make sure you keep the cloth moist all the time until the sprouts. I'll be back in a few days to check up on this to see how it's gonna be. Okay, so 10 days after that it did germinate, so it was now 14 days after. So let's check how it looked. Okay, so it looked like most of it did germinate. So I'm gonna fill this bucket up. This is 17 centimeters deep, but you don't have to go that deep. Like maybe this is a 12 centimeters, so you maybe want to try 12 to 10 centimeters depth. So I'm just filling it up with compost. You can fill it up with compost or potting soil. Then you want to bury them about 3 centimeters deep. You don't have to do it this way. You can put them each in their own thing, whatever you want to do. And then in the next few days they will start coming out. So let me just show you the others I planted about 2 months ago, and they did not bolt. So this one I started like I did the other thing. So this I planted in the soil the 1st of March, is now the 28th of April, and this is how it look. And you can see they did not bolt up. They're just growing, so they get about 30 to 40 minutes of sun a day. So I'm just leaving it in the most shadiest place I have, and then this is what happened. There is no bolting or anything, and also to help it not bolt, you should at least trim it at least once a week or something like that, or every second week. And just harvest of it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.